Mantra to untie karmic knots. The mantra to untie karmic knots is a mantra that seeks blessings from the greatly merciful and greatly compassionate Guan Yin Bodhisattva to help us eliminate and resolve interpersonal karmic conflicts with others. If you feel you have been misunderstood by others, in a troubled relationship, having conflicts with your parents or children, or disputes with your boss or colleagues, you may recite the mantra to untie karmic knots to resolve these conflicts. For greater efficacy, it is best to recite the Heart Sutra as a foundation in conjunction with the recitation of the mantra to untie karmic knots. For daily recitations, beginners may recite 21, 27, or 49 times per day. This mantra can be recited during the day or at night. For more details, kindly refer to the books Introduction to Guan Yin Citta Dharma Door and Buddhism, Your Questions Answered.